Very good morning, students. We have already started first lesson in business studies, that is nature and purpose of business. In this chapter, we have started first topic, history of trade and commerce. And in this topic, we have completed 3 points. Today I am going to explain about transport. Land and water transport was popular during ancient time. If we talk about land transport, road has assumed a key role in entire process of growth. For the development of trade and commerce, road transport has played very important role. The northern roadways route had stretched from Bengal to Takshila. You can see images. It is shown the roadway which is stretched from Bengal to Takshila. There were also some trade routes in south spreading east and west. Trade routes were wide and suitable for speed and safety. Land transport was popular for safe and speedy transportation. If we talk about water transport, maritime trade was another important way of global trade. The sea route was used for international trade where one country was transporting goods to other country. You can see that is shown in first image with blue line. Malabar coast on which Mussoorie is situated has long history of international trade. You can see in second image the Malabar coast is shown where Mussoories were situated and they have long history of international trade. They were trading with other country through this route. People known as black gold was traded through this route. Even people, those who were known as black gold, they were also trading through this route. It was in search of alternative route to India for spices, and that led to discovery of America by Columbus. When they were transporting through this route, Columbus discovered America. Some other cost for water transport. Calicut coast was so popular that it was even visited by Chinese ships to acquire essential items from Middle East as well as pepper, diamond, pearls and cotton from India. That is shown in first image. You can see Calicut coast. It was also popular for transporting some essential items. Even it was visited by Chinese ships too. So it was very popular way of transport. On Coromandel Coast, Pulicat was a major port. You can see Coromandel Coast that is shown in second image where Pulicat was a major port. Textile was the major export from Pulicat to Southeast Asia. It was popular for exporting textile to Southeast Asia. I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, contact me, and you have to write this topic in your notebook and send me images by evening.